I'll march and march and march. I'll hop and hop and hop. I'll turn and turn and turn and then sit down.
Good job. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. When it's time to climb the stairs, to brush my teeth and say my prayers.
Adri.
Through my window I can see that you are smiling down on me.
Adriana.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. There's so much more I'd like to say. Maybe we'll talk another.
Adri.
Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I did the chair.
What are you doing with that chair? Be careful so it won't hit you. That's not safe. Come here. Show me your table. Adri.
Huh?
Look at mommy. You want to get in my video so bad. Hi. Show me your table that you turned to Spanish like you really know what it's saying.
Wake up, your star. How I want to all.
So high, like a diamond.
Star.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay, I'm sorry I started singing with you. Okay. I didn't even know you were going to start singing it. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye to the camera?
No.
Oh, look at a little toddler tantrum going on.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, now you're happy again.
Go.
Yes, that's a 2-year-old for you. Sad 1 minute, happy the next. I thought you were going to show me your table. You're just going to sit on it? Sit down. Okay, bye-bye. I love you. You're not going to say I love you? I love you. Adriana. Adriana. I love you. Oh, she's sad again. You sad?
No.
Are you happy?
No.
What's wrong?
Oi.
Are you happy?
No.
What's wrong? Silly girl. What's wrong? Look. Look. You say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye, Adri. Adri. Silly, silly girl. Bye-bye, big girl. Bye-bye.